very comfortable now. I can eat these easily. Oh, gone.
Your chewing is good, sir?
Very good.
So you feel the taste? Taste, everything is good, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I feel like my own teeth.
Good, good. Enjoy. Hi friends, this is Dr. Anjali from Best Laser Dental Clinic and Implant Center. Today we have Mr. Hein Mansfield with us. His age is 78 years and he is from Australia. So today he is going to tell us about his experience in our clinic. He has got full mouth rehabilitation done. That is, we have placed 10 implants in his upper jaw and 8 implants in his lower jaw. Now he has got fixed 24 teeth. Let us know from him how was his experience in our clinic.
Yes, well, I came to the clinic 3 years ago with a very bad mouth, and they were able to remove my bad teeth and install the 21 implants and give me a full mouth of teeth, and at the same time they corrected my very, very bad bite. I've used those temporary teeth for the last 3 years. I would have come back earlier except for COVID, and I was a bit worried about travelling, but I finally plucked up the courage and flew back, and I now have my permanent teeth, which are fit so beautifully and wonderful to chew with, and I'm very, very happy. The service at this clinic is outstanding. They look after every little thing, and unless something's perfect, they're not satisfied. This is the best dental clinic that I've ever been to in my life, and I can tell you, at 78 years I've been to a lot of dentists, but no one has reached the standard that this clinic reaches. Wonderful service, and I recommend anyone in the world to come here, and they will be very, very happy with the result that they obtain.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your feedback.